Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful rustic picture frame from reclaimed wood. This is a fun and easy DIY project that will give your pictures a unique and personalized touch. To get started, here are the materials you'll need. Reclaimed wood, saw, sandpaper, wood glue, clamps, picture hanging hardware. Optional, wood stain, paint, or other embellishments. Step 1. Select your wood. The first step is to find a piece of reclaimed wood that is the right size for your picture frame. Look for wood with interesting textures and colors that will add character to your frame. Step 2. Cut your wood using a saw. Cut your wood into 4 pieces that are the same length as the sides of your picture. Be sure to measure and mark your wood carefully to ensure a precise fit. Step 3. Sand your wood using sandpaper. Sand the edges and surfaces of your wood to smooth out any rough spots or sharp edges. Step 4. Assemble your frame. Apply wood glue to the ends of your wood pieces and use clamps to hold them together until the glue dries. Be sure to check that your frame is square before the glue sets. Step 5. Add embellishments. If you want to add some extra flair to your picture frame, you can stain or paint your wood, or add other embellishments like metal hardware, stencils, or decoupage. Step 6. Attach picture hanging hardware. Finally, attach picture hanging hardware to the back of your frame so you can hang it on the wall. And there you have it, a beautiful and unique rustic picture frame made from reclaimed wood. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you try this project at home, be sure to share your creations with me in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY and craft videos. Thanks for watching.